In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Cloudways and Runcloud and set up your hosting the right way. If you manage important websites, online stores, or client projects, this decision matters more than most people realize. The main difference is simple. Cloudways is a managed platform that bundles the server and the control panel together, while Runcloud is a server management platform that lets you bring your own server. That difference affects pricing, flexibility, and how much low-level control you actually have. With Cloudways, the platform sits in the middle. It provisions infrastructure from providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, or AWS, then wraps everything inside its own dashboard and support system. That makes things easier to manage, but it also means you do not get full root access to the server. So if you need to change core operating system packages or install unusual software, you may run into limits. Runcloud takes the opposite approach. You rent a raw server directly from your preferred provider, then connect that server to Runcloud using an installation script. The big advantage here is that you keep full root SSH access, which gives developers and technical teams much more freedom to configure the environment exactly how they want. Pricing is another major difference. Cloudways adds a markup on top of the underlying infrastructure cost, and that markup grows as your server gets larger. Runcloud uses a flat subscription model, so once you are on the right plan, you can connect multiple servers without the platform fee increasing in the same way. For agencies or growing projects, that can make a big impact over time. When it comes to performance, Cloudways uses its own Thunderstack setup, which is optimized and convenient, especially for common WordPress use cases, but it is less flexible. Runcloud gives you more choice, including Nginx, custom web stack options, and open Lightspeed, along with built-in caching tools. If you want the Runcloud route, start by creating a fresh, unmanaged Ubuntu server LTS virtual machine with your chosen provider and copy the server's public IP address. Then sign in to the Runcloud dashboard, choose the option to connect a new server, enter a server label and that IP address, pick your preferred web stack, and create the connection. Runcloud will generate an installation command. Open your terminal, connect securely to the server, paste that command, and let the platform finish the setup. If you prefer simplicity, Cloudways may be the better fit. You sign in, launch a server, choose your application, adjust the server size, and manage everything from one place with bundled support. Once your server is connected in Runcloud, create a web application, deploy WordPress, attach your domain, and enable Let's Encrypt SSL so your site runs securely over HTTPS. Finally, review the dashboard carefully, confirm the server is active, check CPU and memory usage, make sure SSL is enabled, and verify there are no obvious performance warnings. Once that looks clean, you are ready to move forward with confidence.